Hey guys, it's Kenny at Lionel for Less. Here's a piece that I wanted to offer to you guys out of my collection for coming along for the trip, on the trip with me. This beautiful post-war 736. I mean, this thing has been meticulously combed over, taken apart, every rod polished. The magnet traction is superb on it. It's complete. It has the headlight inside. All of the jewels are there. It's complete. And it's not in, I say it's in excellent condition for a post-war engine. This has not been repainted at all. See those drive rods? You know, there's a little bit more polishing to do here. I'll finish that off before I mail it to you, if you want it. Gonna call it on this at $125 or best offer, but I'm gonna be pretty firm, I think, on that 125. This is a 736 now, folks. New brush plate on the motor, new brushes, freshly tuned up by yours truly, and it's just a bad boy. I mean, look at that thing, how clean it is. It takes the smoke pills. It has a new heating element inside of it. It's the original bell. The whistle there. I mean, look, this thing's clean as a whistle. I spent a lot of time taking off little spots of smoke pellets that were really stuck on there from the past. So if one of you guys wants it, leave me a comment. This one's on a money back guarantee. If you don't like this one, send it back to me and I'll give your money back within like 4 days, 5 days of receipt of it. You know, I'm not gonna let you run it a month and wreck it and then send it back to me. I've been through those days. But I know you guys aren't like that. But yeah, it's got excellent. Just rolls so nice and smooth, and it's been oiled all up. It's just ready to go, man. So I wanted to offer this one to you guys at $120 bucks. You can't beat it. This has the die-cast trailing truck, indicating it's an earlier model, probably right from the 1950 or 1954 at the latest, I think, would have been the production of this. They had these climbing up those trestle sets, man, because this is the one that'll do it. If you ever watch those old Lionel films in black and white, this is the one that climbs up the trestle sets all the time. It's in beautiful shape. Look at those rails just sparkling. And it's been given the whole once over treatment, man. Original paint, guaranteed original paint. It's got a few little chips like here and there, But that's nothing for an engine of this age, you know. I should be asking more than that for it, actually. But since you guys have been so cool and been along on the ride with me, first $125 gets this beautiful piece of post-war machinery. Alright, I got more stuff to sell. I just wanted to take a quick movie of this one and let you guys know I'm around. We're transitioning back to music here. Still gonna truck drive. Fit it all in there somewhere in life. But I'm gonna chill on the trains until I buy a house. Because I just can't help myself. You know, when I see one I want, I gotta buy it. And some of these new engines, you know, are a house payment. Alright, man, there's 736, nice and crisp there. Like I said, this is the one with the die-cast trailing truck. We can take a quick look at the bottom. It's equally as clean. Ready to go. Ready to go, folks. Alright, this is Ken at Lionel for Less. And as always, thank you for tuning in. God bless.